Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. As you know, guys, we've been working on a Ford Fiesta lately Mk7, the generation from 2008 to 2017. We'll show you guys remove or replace exterior door handle on the rear door. We have the front door as well. If you need, we have the video on the channel. Rear left, rear right side will be identical. So if you need to replace the exterior door handle, stay with us and we'll show you how to do it now. Make sure guys you subscribe. We have more than 200 videos on that car, pretty much fixing anything. So tools that we're using, door panel removal tool. We'll need to pop that cap open. Okay, and with the plastic tool usually you don't scratch the door, okay, because otherwise you see people scratching the paint, it looks terrible. Next, inside guys, right here, okay, let me get the light quick. Okay guys, and trying to focus right here, okay, you can see inside, okay, right there, there is one screw with a Torx, okay, Torx bit, right there. It's really hard to see, but you'll be able to get to it. So what we're doing now, I think it was a Torx 20, so we'll double check again. Okay, so we'll just install it on the long screwdriver like that. That's a really handy set right there. We have the links, guys, for all the parts. Okay, all the parts and all the tools we use in the description of the video. Make sure you check it out. Okay, so now you kind of like need to go in a straight angle like that to get to the screw. Okay, right there now. So what you're going to do, okay, you unscrew quite a bit, but it's important not to drop it. Okay, so stop, that's enough. Okay, you can pull, okay, that cap out now. You can see just like that. Okay guys, next, that seal, okay, you're going to open the door handle and you're going to pull it on the door handle actually, so you don't break it. Okay, be careful. Okay, like that. Now it's a little bit complicated thing what you need to do. Okay, you need to open it a little bit and push that way a little bit. Okay, like that, towards this side. Okay, and it's going to come loose. Check it out, door handle, guys. Okay, right here. Stay with us and we'll demonstrate how to put it back together in a second. Okay, next you need to go in an angle like that. Okay, when you're ready to put it back together. Okay, you don't go all the way. Now, right here it's important to go, okay, in the canal there. Okay, like that, all the way. And then, okay, you're going to pull it, okay, towards the front. Okay, and that's a little bit tricky now. Okay, I want to make sure that I'm all the way where I'm supposed to be. Okay, like that. Next, you're going to install, okay, this seal right here. After that, we're going to get the cap. Okay, let me just find the cap. I forgot where I left it. Okay, we're going to push it in, and all we have to do next, okay, just get the screwdriver there now. And that's the hardest part from all, I think. Just trying to get the screw there tight. Okay, I definitely feel it getting tight now. Okay, and install the cap. Okay, right there. Let's see if it works. Perfect. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you guys next time. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.